But this should just be renamed to a Keertana torturing video.
Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to try interesting snacks from convenience stores and rate them with my friends. Before we get into the rating, let's go and shop for some snacks. Hi guys, we are in what? We are in Ichiba. Do we like something yet? No, but are we going to spend a lot of time here just looking at things? Oh, yes. Guys, I found Daijin. We can buy a few chocolates if you want.
Next door maybe.
Okay. I mean, this is not that interesting. But yeah, now oh, I'm sorry. It's very interesting. So we are at Kasturi's room. We are going to barge into her room and ask her to review our products with us. Hi guys. So you might be seeing it's just the both of us now. There will be a new person coming into the frame, which is Kasturi.
Hello.
Bolo bhai, bolo bhai, talk.
Hey guys, welcome back to my
Okay, so this is Kasturi. Kasturi, tell us about how you feel being on such an elite channel.
I was taking a nap and then I was called for some food, so I'm here.
So all of these are there. What we'll do is we'll divide it into categories. Okay, first is we have chips, then we have sweet things, then we have drinks. So Kasturi, you want to pick what?
I want to pick chips.
Okay, I want to pick drinks.
So Kochika is left with chocolates.
Okay, I'll take chocolates. You can take.
No, I don't want.
Take the sweets.
Take the drinks.
Guys, we forgot the most important product of this entire video. It's this. So this is Kinley water, premium water with minerals. It's just 18 rupees.
It's
But-
highly premium.
I just realized we did not check the expiry dates on any of the products.
They'll be long only. They'll be 26 only. We're gonna
This
eat
is
that
what you should
today.
never do, guys. You should always check the expiry products and not do whatever this channel is promoting right now.
But yeah, this is going to basically be our palate cleanser, so that we can actually taste what we want to taste. So Kasturi, please pick the first round of chips.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the Doki chicken chips. Doki, just like my heart that beats for you.
It's just one Doki.
Okay, so that is the first thing that we're going to do.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick the drinks that we're going to have with this. I think we should try this.
The good.
The good luck thing.
Again.
Okay,
So-
next.
I'll let it there.
Excuse me, please don't ruin my sweet moment.
Yes, go ahead.
So we have the strawberry donut here with us because we have a lot of donuts.
Yes, so in this round we're going to try chicken chips, good luck drink, and the strawberry donut. Let's go. Let's start with the chicken chips, guys.
Do I have to open it aesthetically?
No, you can have it however you want.
Wait. Don't have it.
Don't have it yet.
Don't have it.
Don't have it yet. Don't have it.
I'm not. This is what it looks like.
Yeah,
What is it?
smells like achar.
Because it's Amritsari achar flavor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should we take a bite?
Okay.
A lemony flavor, like an aftertaste to it. Like a khatta lemony flavor it has.
First of all, I don't taste the chicken anywhere, which is a big disappointment. Because the reason I bought these chips was for the chicken flavor. But all I taste is lemon, like she said,
And
salt.
like- and like those, you remember those papad shops?
Oh,
I feel like I can taste a weird oily taste, even though it's like not oily.
she's big.
Okay, on a rate out of 10, how much will you give this? I think I will give this a 7 out of 10.
I think I'd give it a 5.5.
Because I'm extremely disappointed. Because the reason I bought it is because it says chicken chips. And it literally tastes like, you know, these baked things that you get, like baked chips. And I wanted this for indulgence.
Oh, Chika, what is your rating?
I think, can we put in decimals?
Sure. Sure.
Something about 6.8.
7.8.
6.43.
Wait for it. Here it comes.
It's a 6.87 for me.
Got it.
Vibes, according to the vibes.
Okay.
Okay, so the next thing we're trying is Good Luck drink. Kasturi will do the honors of tasting it first.
It smells like medicine.
By the way, this is chosen by Ruchika. So she said it looks like Good Luck, blah blah blah. What? So we'll see how good that is.
It's I like it.
It's cough syrup, guys. It's cough syrup.
I like it. I like the taste. It's
I think it's
jamun.
because she has cough and everything.
I think it's jamuni
I
and
see.
like fruity, but like not sweet. I don't like sweet that much.
So yeah, you can also rate based on that.
1 on 10, guys.
I'll give it a 5 on 10.
2 on 10.
Excuse me.
You want cough syrup?
I think it's. I'll give it a 5 on 10.
Let's move on.
Not
The
this
dessert
rice.
for the round. Ruchika will choose it. Oh, she chose the strawberry brownie. Let's see.
Is it a donut?
Strawberry.
Oh, sorry. The donut. Sorry, strawberry donut.
It just looks like a very sad donut.
It's also 20 rupees to keep in mind.
Alpenliebe.
Actually, the flavor is pretty good. I generally like how it tastes, except the texture is not as fluffy as a donut should be. It just feels like a cake. So yeah.
Feels like a strawberry cake.
Yeah. Rating? What are your thoughts? You seem
3
disgusted.
on 10. First of all, I don't like jelly.
Oh, yeah, she got the jelly part. I was kind of excited about the jelly part, but I didn't get any.
Second of all, it's not a donut. It's a flat out cake, flat ass cake. It has weird artificial coloring that I don't like, and again I don't like jelly. So
Rating?
Like a 7.8.
I think I would give it a solid 8 on 10 because it's very worth the price. I would have preferred if it was more like a donut and less like a cake, but I think I don't have many complaints, honestly. Rating is done now?
yeah.
Let's move on to round 2.
Well, let's do it again.
Palette
1, 2,
cleanser,
3.
guys.
1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Let's move on.
To round 2. For round 2, we are going to start from Ruchika to pick the product.
I think I'll go with an Oreo this time.
Yes. Which flavor is it?
It's the vanilla flavor.
Okay. I think I am going to choose the cream soda thing for this round.
I think let's be a little happy and choose Cheetos. We're getting
I was
Cheetos.
hoping she chose Cheetos because I never tried Cheetos.
And I was hoping you would choose a milkshake, but you didn't.
Me and my sister used to watch these vlogs where people used to just have Cheetos. And I always wanted to try Cheetos. Let's start with Cheetos.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
They look sad.
You thought it was orange?
Yeah.
I wanted the flaming hot.
Yeah, those are
Cheetos.
orange. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
These are smoking barbecue flavored Cheetos which are non-veg.
See, I don't know how I feel about this. I'm very on and off about it. Like every 2 seconds.
Like you wanna eat it?
I'm not sure if I wanna eat it.
See, the reason I'm disappointed is both of us saw Cheetos, 2 flavors. One was smoking barbecue, one was sweet and chili.
This is, I feel, what sweet and chili should taste like.
Exactly, this tastes like sweet and chili.
This tastes like a smoked sweet and chili.
Yeah, we wanted a spicy one, but this became a sweet one. So I'm very, very disappointed.
Ratings.
5 on 10. Very disappointed with the...
Expectations, price, not matching.
4 on 10.
5.5.
It tastes like burnt popcorn at one point.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
It smells like a burnt thing when I first.
Cool. Let's try the drink. By the way, I don't drink carbonated drinks. I don't like soda. So that's why that reaction. But we are better judges of how this is. My feeling is wrong.
Oh god, no. Do not tell me you like it.
You like it, don't you? Oh, by the way, this is 150 rupees. Guys.
It's like
It tastes like, it tastes like carbonated cup syrup.
it does taste like
No,
what
it-
it
I
says
think-
on the packet.
Yeah, it's
So it tastes like a cream sweet thing in a soda.
Cream.
Yeah,
I don't taste
yeah.
the cream anywhere.
I can tell.
Yeah,
Like, you know, Jim Jam, but
Vanilla flavored.
Cool. Ratings, guys.
I give it a 6 for someone who likes sweet drinks, fizzy, and someone who has a thing for cream sodas. Sure.
I think I would give it a 7. It pretty.
Pretty much delivers to what it says. I don't like carbonated drinks, but I think it's still good. It was what I expected it to be.
Move on to the dessert,
Oh.
which is Oreo and Go. I have a, if this
I get it.
it's a little tight, guys.
Okay, can do it. That's nice.
Okay, take one. You're supposed to dip it in this, by the way. Guys, this is literally this dip. Okay, so see this. It doesn't dip.
I mean, it's winters.
Very disappointing.
Disappoints me, I will be very disappointed.
I'm very disappointed. The biscuit is very soggy. It's not good. It tastes like powder.
It tastes like rubber.
Yeah, it tastes like, and the cream is just not creamy. Wait,
It's wax.
It's
it
wax.
is wax. It's
It's just take wax, guys.
the taste.
It feels like this is how dog food would taste.
Oh,
Like a premium quality dog food though.
for me, it's a 0 for
It's
me.
a 0.2 for me.
It's a 0 for me.
Just because it has something. Like that's it.
Just because it's edible and you can chew
Exactly.
it and not fall
Exactly.
sick.
Exactly.
It's 0.67 actually. 67.
Okay. Let's move to round
Actually,
3. Please pick.
Okay, so let's try the shrimp chips.
I think I have a good feeling about these.
I don't want to have them.
I feel like this should just be renamed to a Keerthana torturing video.
I don't want to have this, bro.
You can do it, you can do it.
It actually does not. It actually does not taste like shrimp at all.
It does taste like shrimp.
I don't think.
It has a CBD flavor to it.
Never mind. I didn't taste it properly. Rating. 0.
7.2.
5.
0. Oh, by the way, this is how much?
Wait,
140 rupees.
7.2.
7.5?
5.
7.1.
Don't have this. Please don't.
Please edit that part where I just called it chips shrimp because everyone is gonna make fun of me.
She called it shrimp, guys.
I think my mind was like shrimp chips because shrimp chips are actually.
We are trying the strawberry flavored milk drink with a strawberry and this guy on it. Please listen to her while I try it.
Yeah, the problem with the plastic and environment thing is like, I don't think it matters. I think some companies who are like disposing of other things in the waste, the other waste and like rivers and everything in the oceans, like unfiltered instead of like, I mean, plastic removal is not. Oh,
Yeah, I agree to her.
do you? But you shouldn't.
Actually, didn't hear what you were saying. It's very, very watery and it's not quality milk drink. It just feels like strawberry water with some milk powder. So, yeah. I would give it 6 on 10.
Okay, I love the packaging. I am not that sure about the taste. The before taste. Oh, is the opposite of aftertaste before. The before taste is kind of nice, but the aftertaste is kind of. So I would give it a 7.
Oh, that is a pretty high number.
Did you just open it without showing the camera? But okay, let's try the dessert, guys.
Oh,
It tastes
Better.
exactly like that, honestly.
I like this one out of all the
It's actually pretty good. It's also 20 rupees.
I like it. It's like Lotte Choco
I would
Pie.
prefer more quantity for 20 rupees.
It's like Lotte Choco Pie, but like lesser.
20 rupees.
I mean, okay, fine. I think this is my highest rating.
Say.
It's a solid 9 on 10.
9 on 10.
7.85.
Cool. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. Special thanks to Ruchika for coming to the store with us and also being in the video.
This is awesome.
Ruchika is awesome. And special thanks to Kasture. She's been sick, but she's still with us here because she loves us very, very much. So we should spam in the comments saying Ruchika and Kasturi for the win.
And I think for the W. Cool.
Thank you so much
Let's
for
do it.
watching. Bye bye.
That sounds like an Airtel ringtone.